How's it going, everyone? I hope you all had an amazing week so far. I wanted to walk you through a couple of trades that we took today inside Team Bull. Called these out live. We went through the game plan pre-market on my Instagram live. So if you're not watching that, you need to check us out. People have been making a lot of money from that. 100% free game. But as always, before we get started, be sure you subscribe to my channel. Click that thumbs up button. Click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. We took a trade on AMC today. I did not take the initial breakout off the opening candle. I waited on the pullback to the 9 EMA. Ideal entry. I would have preferred the 9 EMA be a little closer to that key level we was waiting on. But got in, worked out, had a nice push up. We trimmed. Mover stopped loss up accordingly. My final sell was up there around 25.5. I know some members held this trade to roughly 100% in profit. Beautiful trade. I'm happy with my execution overall. Now, we traded Netflix today as well. I called all three of my entries out over bullets. We traded it 3 different times. Let me tell you why. First off, we took the initial breakout, the breakout trade above pre-market highs. Had nice volume. And let me tell you some reasons I really like this trade. First off, we broke that key level. Second, we was headed towards a gap on the daily time frame, a huge gap at 248.7. I seen, crazy movement. I knew we was wanting that gap. We got in roughly in this area here with some 250 call options. Beautiful push up. I did really well off this trade. We got out nearly at the top of this candle. So then we pulled back some. I said, if we break back into this gap fill, I'm going to try this trade again because it's a huge gap on the daily time frame. Let me show you really quickly. So the gap starts at 248.7 all the way up to $333.22. I highly doubt it fills that gap anytime in the near future. But once we get into gaps like that, you do have a decent move a lot of times. And these trades are so simple to manage because if you fail that level and you fail that 9 EMA on the 5 minute, you simply get out of this trade. Now, the next trade we took, I said, okay, I'm going to wait for a 5 minute candle to open inside of that gap fill because this hadn't happened yet. I said, once we have that happen, I'm going to try this again. Hopefully we get some continuation this time. So that's what happened here at 10:10 EDT time. We got in. I got in right at the open of this candle. I got in with 10 more contracts here. Had a nice push up to 251.62, a new high of day. Trimmed most of my position up there. I left some runners and I got stopped out at the runners at what I paid to enter this trade. I did not give back any profits on this trade. Had 4 trades today, all 4 green trades. It does not get much better than that. Happy with my execution. Happy that Team Bull members did really well off these call outs. If you have any questions about any of these trades, feel free to reach out to me. You can do that on Instagram, Discord, however you want to. As always, I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.